Hi, and welcome to Basic Math. This is my overview video of what we're doing in math this year, and just some information. There's me dropping my mic. I am Amy Oldakowski, and my wonderful para is Donna Lazars, who helps us out in class. And so I'm just going to take this time to just explain to you how I have the class set up and just give you a little information about what we're doing this year. It's very different from previous years. For this class, we do use Canvas. We use Edgenuity, and we also use Teams. Teams is the way that we have our virtual meetings. And so we use that on a regular basis. Okay. So just a general overview of how to access information. If your child is struggling with how to get places, I know that there's a lot of different places. Teachers are doing it different ways. And so it can be confusing. If you need any information, please reach out to me if it doesn't make sense to you or you're frustrated. We understand, and so just please let us know. How you access information, the starting place should always be for your child to go to whereps.org and click on Clever. Clever is like the one-stop, I keep on calling it the one-stop shopping for all the logins, so everybody doesn't have to log into every single thing. It automatically does that for you, which is very nice. I use it all the time. That way I don't have to remember all my different passwords or whatever. So if they click on Clever, then you can access Canvas through there, which is our learning management system. And so when I'm meeting with people on Wednesdays, which I'll talk about in a couple slides, we're doing activities together that they can find in Canvas. And actually, they've been doing very well with those. We have a system called Kami, Kami, and that helps us so kids can write on the documents in Canvas. It makes it so much easier for math because that is a real struggle. I am using Edgenuity. I'm going to talk about that more on the next slide. And they can access Office 365 through Clever also. So Office 365 is their email, their PowerPoint, any kind of Excel, any kind of Word document they can get through there, through Canvas and then Office 365. In Edgenuity, so Edgenuity is what I'm using as the learning platform, I guess we would call it. And so everything that I would normally be teaching, I'm using Edgenuity because, well, really my thinking was if we had another school closure, it would be an easy transition from, I didn't want to have the kids to have to learn to use Edgenuity as a new thing if we had to suddenly go remote. Hopefully that's not going to happen. But that was my thinking. So I put together a curriculum that I think is appropriate. It's like basic math skills and algebra kind of combined. So I think it's going okay. Some of it is difficult. So, but they have everything in there in Edgenuity that you would need. So videos that they can go back and watch on how to solve problems. All the assignments are in there and the quizzes are in there. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking their grades from that and I'm putting it into iPass, which is how we are using like to do the grading. So if you notice that your child is struggling with Edgenuity in particular, or with anything, but really with Edgenuity, if they're struggling with that, please let me know. Let me know about anything. Okay, so Canvas is the learning management system that we're using. Now, when Wednesday, we have our virtual meetings. I'm using Wednesdays as our kind of like my anchor day, that we're all together. We're all supposed to be together. And so I'm doing a lesson. We're doing worksheets. We're going to try to do breakout groups so they can work in small groups together. And that's really going to be kind of, I keep on calling it the anchor day. So they'll know what we're going to be doing for the next week, kind of what the theme is, what the lesson is. And so they've been doing great with that. How you can access iParent. If you're not already on iParent, I highly recommend it. You go to whereps.org. On the right-hand side, you click on the parent portal, and this brings you to the iPass homepage. Unfortunately, when I do it to practice it, it brings me to my iPass, and I'm already logged in. So I can't exactly see what it says. So if I think that you scroll down to the bottom and then you can sign up for iParent. If you have any questions, reach out to me, please, or you can reach out to the front office, and they can help you also. But really important to have that, because then you can spy on your children and see what it is that they're missing, if anything. Okay. So please let me know. There I am again with my canned phone. But please, you can call me, you can email me, you can use Remind, and that's almost like us texting. Any questions, please let me know. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching.